Welcome to the CarStar channel. The Volkswagen Golf R 2022 not only plays the role of the most expensive and sporty option of the average hatchback, but it is also the most powerful variant ever produced of the car. With 320 horsepower from its 2.0 TSI engine. Until now, the most powerful Golf that VW has produced is the Club Sport S with its 310 horsepower, offered as a version limited to 400 units. Now the Volkswagen Golf R 2022 increases this limit to 320 horsepower and 42.8 kg/Fm, which makes it accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.7 seconds and has a top speed of 250 km per hour. In comparison to the previous generation, there are 20 horsepower and 4.1 kg/Fm extra. Customers will be able to choose between a 6-speed manual gearbox or an automated 7-position double-clutch DSG with oil-bathed housing. As expected, the Golf R comes with the 4-motion all-wheel drive system, which works differently from previous generations. Volkswagen placed a new rear differential that distributes the force in a variable way between the axles. With the ability to send 100% of the torque to the wheel outside the curve when using the drift mode. This mode is one of the 2 new selector options, along with race mode. In addition to the conventional sport, comfort, and individual.